vex with yourself where you lose your mind. You just, me I tell you, it bring one sort of ignorance. Can you give them the most important part of you and then go look for you and tell you, say, boy, can't help you no more, ma'am. Or me not have you, know. Or just go and hold it. You can't take it back. Let's stop talking about Kevin now. We're not talking about she. Yeah, it frig up your head. Listen. I years me over here. And I teach relationship and that things say me an expert. But boy, me I tell you, me not see what out there me don't know. When it comes on to man and woman and life and money, me not see what out there me don't know. Cause me I tell you. When you're a big man, you can't beg man little bit. Let me tell you something. You see, if you beg a man $5,000, I'm talking a US dollar. You see, if you beg a man $100, just know, say, I that him all you too. Always go big. You see, if you beg him $100 when you go want 5,000, no, him not gonna have that. He must say, what you got 5,000 for? And $100 me normally give her, no. Always beg big. Make them say, me not have 5,000, me have 3,500 or me have 4. And never, and I hears me a teach you this, never beg a man money if you do hair and nails. Never. You see, if you don't want if you do the hair and nails, beg them if you do something else, then take your time do the hair and nails. Cause them all gear, you know, but trust me, they have you, them a look for you one way, because if you can't do your own hair and nails, then why? It don't look good. No beg man them something there. Beg man so sit me them a say blood clot, but I get a piece of head pan her body, you know. Make them see you as a girl they can trust, as a girl where they can build with. Make them see say, you know, money no frighten you. You see how when you know you broke like a dog, and a man have all heap of money around you going militant. All when you never see so much money before in your life, act like it not fears you. That not have nothing to do with you. You build up a trust with them. You make them know say, well, listen, you're not no thief. So you can be around $10 million and not touch a dollar. Because you're not frightened. I saw them trust you. It all boils down back to being kind. Sometimes you run out, you buy a drink. Sometimes when you go somewhere, you can't pay. You can't pay, nothing wrong. If the man always a pay, you can't pay. You can't carry him out 1 and 2 times. You can't buy him something for Valentine's Day. You can't buy him something for his birthday. You can't do something. Because a man will always spend money around you. Let me tell you something. If you don't not do it you know, if you don't not do it already, do it you know. You see when a man, when you have, once is a good man, you see when you go to the store and buy something for yourself, take up something for the man. If I even want to look at something, trust me, they feel different. Men have feelings too, you know, they just not show it like we. And you see when a man have a woman who have them back at the greatest feeling. They might not say it to you, but trust me, they must say it to their friend them. Them boast to them friend them. You know some woman get me this, you know some woman do this to me, you know some woman, yeah. They make them know say listen, no me wanna spend, me woman got it too. No care how little it be. And that makes them want to do more for you. Because because you're doing for them in return. You can't just sit down and take. You can't sit down and just be a... You know. That's why I always tell you work. Keep on a job. Now make the man tell you say, oh, left your work. Left your job, baby. Just stay home with it. Me mind you, left your job. After a while, it all gets sour. After a while, they go start complaining. Trust me. I mean, I have to do everything. And then I still have to come. And then this no do. I mean, what? Because guess what happened? They start go out now and they start to friend. They start to their friend them with their woman who are boss. And then they see you now and have nothing. And they start get agitated. And they start in a things with you because I feed them one money I spend and they think they should have control. Never leave your job. If you're working or whatever you're doing, never stop doing it. Money cannot too much and trust me, it quick for done. It easier done. Always work. Yeah. No make some sense to run on a show phone now. We can wrap up this now, me tired. But I think there's not one me never cover phone now. From a one's woman, God know what I want. I one-on-one with you. Being a side, I'm gonna tell you something. Side girl, I'm gonna tell you something. You see, you might see people make a lot of fun and joke about you and say, oh, them prefer be a side girl than a wife. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes to be on the side. Nobody likes to be seen spending the man birthday after him birthday or before him birthday. Or if you see man after Christmas. Or you can't talk to the man at night. You can't talk to the man at holiday. Listen, they might say they like it because them don't know what, they don't want to feel shame. But listen to me, nobody likes it. It gets to a point. Because after a while, you fall in love, you get stuck, and you feel like crap. And you go want a man for yourself eventually. So the side woman business, it don't really make no sense. I mean, I tell you the truth, you see, when you know, say, alright, so for instance, you know, say the man live with him baby mother or live with the woman, and you're there with him. Me a blood clot tell you, say, me I promise to know a piece of karma, only no blood. When I take people money not nice, me I tell you, I'm telling you, I've been through it once and I'll never do it again. A piece of blood clot come and lick me. How long it take me to recover? I would never. I'm telling you, listen. You see, married men and people, man, leave them alone. Married man salt. Don't deal with married man. No cure them, I give you money, things will happen to you. It's like everything I go bad for you. No cure them, I give you the money. Something they fall apart in your life. Something they go wrong. If you really pray, the levels are looking to it. Yeah. But fair advice, you know, the people man business, no, leave that. Not that, trust me, not there with nobody man. All the man out there can find out. There's a lot of men that are out of relationships or want to reach a relationship, they are probably just have date round or a flirt, get one of them there. Now there will nobody will live with their woman. Married, none of them something there. What have their woman? No. I used to the man them will post their woman every minute of them you have afraid of me blood clot. You see the man them will post, oh my baby, I love you so much. The world for you, this and them in a everybody DM. It's like it's a guilt thing. It's like them posts fit for release some of them guilt, but at them they look the people them the most. Well, me not really. Alright, you see the posting thing now. If people don't want to post, me not see nothing wrong with that. Because to me, it better so. Because you see when you post man and them something there, a man post you and them so appear embarrassment. Because now this a girl that start message you. Then this a wanna start post the picture and say I feed them man. This a wanna start say the man no want she as she really want. Then this a wanna over your and say he went to the man before the picture take. And it is like then this a somebody I feel say boy, no sir, that man have money. Let me go in and DM and look him. And I study. I can so woman say you know when they feel like you're there with somebody what they do things for you, them try to push up themselves and insert themselves. Because they want piece of pie, but I not say it work. Because we have a man who mean to 50 people and only kind to one smaddy. You have some man deadly so. You have some man where they will give you 5 bills, but you not get 5 grand. Only their woman can get it. And they mean it. They mean you fuck to everybody but the girl. So you cock up there. You best build your own life. No one people want. He no work out. So, me not really, the posting thing now, me not really, I mean, if me feel like if you make a one post, I will. If him want post, him post. But you know you not get up every day. Me tell you why me really afraid of it. Alright, you see when I get up every day now, chat, and you post, man, you have man all over your page. When you and him fall out now, you take down your picture them. Everybody notice you take down your picture them, you know. And then the mix-up start. You know, so she delete him, man. He come like, she find out about this. They left her now. He man left her, you know, man no want her. And then they start. So I said, me really can't bother with the posting. And plus, me is a person like this. If me and you left, and me find one new man, me no want nobody account me man them and say, but when she get new man, no this a man and she when they know. You see how me man not showing face, me love how I hide it. You see how I hide his face on him on a page? So you see him black, all me have to do if me